almost 1 year I was having some problem related to my periods. During my menstrual cycle, I used to get a lot of pain, and I used to be worried a lot why this pain is happening. Because I used to have a pain, normal, which is normal, but now I know that there's something wrong with my system as such. So I just wanted to find a solution for this and find out why I'm not able to have a normal life because of this pain, because I can't meet anybody, nor I can have a normal day in my life, or I can't have scheduled programs. Every time I had to check my periods time. So I was like worried, and I was like finding out a solution where I can go get a solution for my problem. So the first thing what we do is we normally check with relatives and anybody, like any doctors, like they can suggest. So I had gone through different doors to find out a solution for me, but nowhere I was able to find that connect where, or the confidence, first to say that the confidence that you can have with a doctor. So that is the main thing we need, then diagnosing comes next for a patient. So first, as a patient, I was very much worried which doctor I can rely on. And because when I see hospitals, I find that many of them know, like they are very money oriented, or they are not friendly or approachable. Like they just give a solution and they just diagnose and say, okay, this is what it is. You need to get it operated. That's it. We become clueless, like why we have to get it operated. What will be the life after the surgery and everything? Why, first of all, what is the reason that we have to go for a surgery? As I was like in that situation, looking out for different solution, I had gone to different places, done a lot of tests, scan and blood test and everything, and then diagnosed with saying you have to go for a surgery, remove that, this and all. I was not getting fixed at all. My mind was keep on saying, no, I have to look out for some other option. I have to look out for some hospital where I have that confidence in what doctor is saying. So one of my friends referred to Dr.Mala Raj. So I thought, okay, let me go. As I thought, with other doctors and with other hospital, I thought, okay, let me just try. Let me see what doctor has to say. So because I was like literally, I was in very depressed state, that where will I fix up? Where will I get a solution for my issues? Because every month is a problem for me. So I just like walked into this hospital, got up an appointment. Just entering into the hospital, till then I was like, okay, one more hospital, one more checkup, that's it. But when I met doctor, I don't know what connect I had with Dr. Mala Raj. The way she had given me the details of my issues, like why I have to go for a surgery. I have to go for a surgery. That's what, like, my report was just telling me, yes, I have to go for a surgery. I have to remove my uterus. That is a solution. So I got that connect from the doctor. I knew that, yes, she is the doctor I'm looking out for. So I immediately, I didn't think about how my surgery would be. I was not thinking about my family, because I had such a immense confidence in the hospital the first time I entered in. Still the door I was not so, but the moment I met Dr. Mala Raj, when she had explained me, and she was so patient enough. That's what I would say, as a person who's going through a lot of mentally down and physically also weak. When I met doctor, it was like, I don't know what I felt like. As a mother, how you care for a child, even though she has many patients and time constraints she has as a doctor, any doctor. But she, I never knew that she's so patient to explain to me that what is my problem. You just remove it. You will have a normal life. That's what she said. Immediately, I had that confidence. I went home and I said, no, we'll go with this doctor. We'll go for the surgery. So she told me to remove the uterus, keeping my ovaries. So that was one more worry which is solved, because many places the ovaries doctors say to remove, but I was not able to find the exact reason for removing the ovaries. So I was a little bit of hesitant. So after coming here, when doctor had first examined me, checked with the scan reports and everything, She told me that my ovaries are fine, so we need to retain the ovaries. But the uterus, because I had adenomyosis and fibroid, considering my age and all the other factors, so she told me to remove only the uterus, that too through laparoscopy. But laparoscopy, I feel that my recovery was very faster and I was able to go back to my normal lifestyle, and I feel really good after the surgery is being done. The recovery period was very quick because of laparoscopy. I had all the symptoms of premenopause. So doctor had said, this is the right age. You need not suffer more, my dear. You need not suffer more. That's what I understood. Okay, somebody is able to understand what I am going through. So it is not just the work, like a surgery with something like that, a procedure, but she understood my pain. So I felt okay, I'll go for the surgery, and immediately got admitted in a week's time. We've decided and we had gone through the surgery. But what I felt is she was always there as a doctor. She was never busy. She was always there for me. My process, she was there and she made sure that each and every day that she had an update, and she had done everything perfectly, because I'm able to feel when the recovery stage, I'm able to feel how perfectly I'm getting cured. Every day I can feel that some energy is coming back to me throughout my hospitalization and everything. Each and every day, every minute, she was there guiding what next to be done, and I've never seen a doctor who's so dedicated in her work. And to mention that, I would definitely mention and be thankful to God that I have come to the right hospital in the right hands. That is the biggest strength I got from doctor, that I was able to get cured fast, I feel. And I feel that it's not only her work and the passion she has, I feel that it is transferred to all the staff and staff members and other members in the hospital, because I find right from the receptionist, I find they are very, very gentle with the patient. And the nurses and the support doctors, they are also very gentle. They feel that what is the patient going through. In each and every situation when I was in the hospital, like I feel that that's the most fearful thing a patient and their family members would go through, because they know the pain. Which what I felt is the staff members and Dr. Mala Raj especially, she knows the pain what a patient is going through. Every moment, even a nurse comes and says, are you fine? Is it paining? Like that. And they does a procedure like that, even an injection or IV, anything. They just check with the patient, not just they want to finish the duty and go for the next patient. They are very courteous, actually, to say they're very courteous in each and every process they are doing. So I am very thankful. My family is very thankful. I thank God that I found a hospital like firm, because I had found a doctor for my lifetime, Dr. Mala Raj. Why I wanted to come forward to give a testimony is that the Google, I searched for Dr. Mala Raj, what is like how the hospital is, and but I didn't stop over there, because unless we experience it, we only then no we can talk about it. So I thought, okay, the reviews are very good, and it actually helped me to come here. Actually, the review, not only the reference with my family friend, but the reviews of the net which I saw about doctor had helped me to come to this place. So I don't want anybody to miss on getting a doctor like Dr. Mala Raj, so that their issues are solved, and my suffering now, I had just put a full stop. Like my life has changed. I feel that even after the surgery, I feel energetic. I feel much better, because where I was not able to find a solution, doctor gave me a solution. So I am very thankful to doctor and firm hospital. Thank you so much.